Hi guys, welcome back to Success Corner. We are here with daily chemistry MCQs. Today there are MCQs on the topic of hydrogen and some on the topic of metallurgy. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Question 1. In which property listed below, hydrogen does not resemble alkali metals? So the nature of oxide is different for hydrogen and for alkali metals. So the correct answer here will be option 2. Question 2. Temporary hardness may be removed from water by adding. So temporary hardness can be removed by adding calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH whole twice. So the correct answer is option number 2. Question 3. Which of the following reactions is not possible? So A, copper plus dilute HCl gives CuCl2 plus H2. So this is not possible because Cu will not be able to displace hydrogen as it is less reactive than hydrogen. B, Mg plus dilute H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus H2. Yes, magnesium can remove hydrogen. C, Ca plus NaOH gives CaOH whole twice plus H2. Ca is less reactive than sodium, so it will not be able to displace sodium. D, zinc plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Yes, zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, so it will displace hydrogen from HCl. So the correct answer here will be option A and C. So that is option number 2. Question 4. Why does H plus ion always get associated with other atoms or molecules? So as you know that hydrogen is a very small sized atom. So after the loss of one electron from hydrogen, the nucleus is very small as compared to other atoms, and that is why it gets associated with other atoms and molecules. So here the correct answer will be option number 4. Question 5. Which of the compound is used for water softening? So the correct answer is option 2, that is Na6P6O18. Question 6. In electrolysis of Al2O3 by Hall-Héroult process. So which of the options are correct? So cryolite lowers the melting point of Al2O3 and increases its electrical conductivity. Yes, this is a correct statement. 2. Al is obtained at cathode and O2 at anode. Yes, so at cathode Al plus 3 electrons from Al, and at anode F negative plus Al2O3 gives AlF3 plus oxygen gas. 3. Graphite anode is converted into CO2. Yes, because you know graphite is carbon and it reacts with the oxygen to form CO2. So all of these options are correct. So therefore the correct answer will be option number 4. Question 7. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching the metal with Cn negative ions. The metal is recovered by the metal is recovered by displacement of the metal by some other metal to form a complex ion. Usually it is zinc. So the correct answer is option number 1. Question 8. Which of the following ores are concentrate by froth flotation? So you have to tell froth flotation method is used for concentration of which ores. So as you know, galena and copper pyrites, both ores are concentrated by using froth flotation. So the correct answer will be option number 4. Question 9. Which of the following is separated as slag during extraction of Fe in blast furnace? So the correct answer is SiO2. You should remember the extraction processes of each and every metal and especially of iron. And you should also remember the diagram given in the NCERT book which shows the process of extraction of iron using blast furnace. The correct answer here is option 1, that is SiO2. Question 10. Oxidation number of P in BaH2PO2 whole twice is. So you should know the oxidation numbers of uh, all the other elements except for phosphorus in this case. So Ba is +2, hydrogen is +1, oxygen is -2. So you substitute the values and the net should be equal to 0. And we take P as X. So when we solve for X, we get X equal to +1. So oxidation number for phosphorus in BaH2PO2 whole twice is +1. So the correct answer is option number 3. These were today's 10 MCQs. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.